Are you looking for the best pool basketball hoops? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pool basketball hoops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoSports Splash Hoop Pro. 4 hours of fun in the sun, you can't go wrong with our best pool basketball pick, the GoSports Splash Hoop Pro Basketball Hoop. The simple assembly takes just 5 minutes and requires no tools. Then, just fill up the base with water and place it on your deck or patio to start playing. The robust 34x25-inch backboard can accommodate a lot of players, so it's great for large families, while the 14-inch rim is specifically designed to withstand play in the water. It proves to be sturdy and safe for rough play, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over or falling into the pool. The set comes with 2 pool basketballs and a manual pump to blow them up. While the balls aren't the best quality and can deflate quickly, you can always purchase higher quality basketballs to play with this hoop. However, the entire system is affordable and requires no add-ons to start playing. We also love that it comes in 4 colors so you can match the aesthetic of your pool. While this option is specifically meant for in-ground pools, it could also work on above-ground pools that border an outdoor deck, making this an overall versatile option for every space and every family. Number 2. Win.Max Kids Basketball Hoop. If you're on a budget, consider this cost-effective poolside basketball hoop from Win.Max. This versatile, adjustable hoop works just as well next to an in-ground pool, set up on the driveway, or in the living room at the shortest height. The hoop extends from 3.2 to 7.2 feet without the need for tools, so you can use it year-round in different areas of your indoor and outdoor space. It will grow with your family as kids age and need a higher net. Fill the stand with water so it stays put. There are also grooves on the base to place bricks or other heavy objects for extra stability. The hoop and the net are made from weather-resistant materials, so you don't have to worry about them fading or becoming damaged over time. While inflatable and floating pool basketball hoops will always be the least expensive option, this is a versatile option for a traditional hoop for the pool and beyond. Number 3. SWIMLINE Inflatable Pool Basketball Hoop. If you have an above-ground pool, you may not have a surrounding deck or patio to place a poolside basketball hoop. That's where floating pool basketball hoops come in. We love this option from SWIMLINE, which floats above the water for energetic basketball games with friends and family. The durable UV-resistant resin construction won't fade in the sun, proves durable enough for rough play in the water, and comes clean easily when wiped with a damp cloth. Floating basketball hoops also take up less space and are extremely lightweight, so they're very easy to store during the off-season. This set also comes with a pool basketball that floats on the water. Assembly can be a bit difficult at first, but afterward, you'll be enjoying this pool toy for years to come. Number 4. Swimming Pool Basketball Hoop Set by Hoop Shark Yellow. Inflatable basketball hoops take up little space to store, are extremely lightweight, and are less expensive than their traditional plastic counterparts. This option from Fun Knuckles adds another element of fun and challenge to a traditional basketball hoop and comes in bright colorways we love for the summer. The durable hoop features thick material and reinforced seams, so it won't easily puncture or deflate. With this hoop, you'll also receive a basketball suitable for the pool. We love that the hoop features multiple goals to aim for with different point values that make for a unique challenge with a friend, or you can play traditional basketball as you would with any floating hoop. Just note that you'll have to provide your own pump to start playing. Number 5. GoSports Splash Hoop Pool Basketball and Volleyball Set. Why invest in one pool game when you can invest in 2? With the GoSports Splash Hoop 2-in-1 full-court pool basketball and volleyball game set, you get complete poolside volleyball and basketball sets to switch in between depending on the day. The water-weighted bases on either side of your pool make up the bases of the basketball hoops and the sides of the volleyball net. The net reaches up to 25 feet and adjusts to the size of your in-ground pool. When you're done playing volleyball, add the basketball backboards and nets and start shooting. Adding to the economic value of this set, it also comes with 2 basketballs, 2 volleyballs, and a pump. This is also the only set on this list that comes with 2 basketball hoops, which increases the possibilities and parameters of play. While you can't have the volleyball and basketball nets set up at the same time, It's so easy to switch between the two that it's definitely worth the buy.